Rule number 1 for bus behavior. Board the bus in order. I'm late. Rule number 2. Arrive early so you don't miss the bus. Rule number 3. Check if everyone is present. Mimi, here. Dee, here. Theo, yoo-hoo. Benny, there. Felix,
Present.
and Eddie. Eddie?
Ugh.
Eddie, we're doing attendance.
Eddie, here.
Everyone is present. Let's go.
It's me again.
Rule number 4. Everyone must be buckled up.
What?
Eddie. Rule number 5. Do not eat or litter on the bus.
Sorry.
Eddie, you shouldn't litter on the bus or out of the bus.
Sorry.
It's all right. You didn't know.
Well then, we've arrived at the museum. Rule number 6. Check that you haven't forgotten anything.
Yes!
Huh? Now let's go to the museum. And now we'll see how well you remember the rules. Mimi will check them.
Yeah!
Rule number 1. Enter the bus in order. Second rule. Come early and check if everything is in place. Dee, Theo, Felix, Benny, and Benny. Next rule. Fasten your seatbelts.
Yeah!
No eating or littering on the bus. And check if you haven't forgotten anything.
Eddie!
Huh?
Backpack!
Everything is ready. Great. We can go home now.
Yay! There's a cloud coming. It will rain and wash away our drawings.
Oh.
Where's my color?
Yeah.
Watch out, Cloud! We need to bring color back to the tree.
Yeah.
It's even better now. Time to teach this cloud not to steal colors.
Finally.
Whoa.
Is it safe? Oh. Huh?
Oh! It's dangerous.
We need to split up.
Whoa. Huh?
Dee, we need your help.
Be brave! Dee Dee!
Yeah!
Yeah! Ah!
Oh.
Mimi, Theo, and Dee Dee win the best drawing competition.
Yeah!
Yay!
Everything's scattered. We won't finish the puzzle by the end of recess. I'm crashed. Crashed? pieces. That way.
It's ours. We need to take it.
This dress suits me. It's mine. Then Becky won't have a dress. Okay, just take one last photo. Eddie, we need that puzzle piece.
But it's mine. Huh.
What's going on? It's ours. Huh.
We need to find 3 more pieces. Recess is ending.
Huh?
Huh?
We need this.
Huh?
Looks like this isn't what we need.
Hurry! Dad, stop!
Huh? Whoa!
Look. Ha. Ugh. We've searched everywhere for the last piece.
Maybe we won't find it.
Look.
Well, we're still open.
Becky, you don't need to be scared when you have friends around. Thank you, friend. Last one to the classroom loses.
Huh?
Aha!
What will happen if we insert it? Do not insert the plug into the faulty socket. Why not?
My assistant will show you now. Would you like me to tell you all the rules for handling electricity?
Yes. Aha! Hello, Dee Dee. We have a new friend.
Dee Dee, come down. It's not safe to be up high during a storm, especially with a phone in your hands. Why not? During a storm, lightning can strike the highest point. Follow me. Let's continue learning the rules. Do not insert a wet plug into a socket.
Why not? Wow.
Now it's clear why you shouldn't insert a wet plug into a socket, right?
Yep.
The plug must be dry. Understand?
Yeah.
I beat you. You can't play here while there's a torn cable lying around. My assistant will now show you why.
Don't. I'll jump over it. Ta-da!
Help me! We need to call a repairman, but it's dangerous to get close. Got it?
Am I blind? No. Where did the lights go? And where is our assistant?
Follow me. Do not insert foreign objects into the socket.
Yeah.
Well done. Now you know the rules of electrical safety.
Have you all remembered the rules?
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. We have to help him. Yeah. Whoa. Huh? Woohoo!
Stop!
Alley-oop.
Here's Genie. Gotcha. Gotcha.
Don't touch him. He's our friend.
Yeah! Kids, attention. I want to introduce a new pupil. Huh? Barney. Hi.
Hi, I'm Mimi, and this is Theo and Didi.
Wanna play with us? I can't play all the games.
With us, you can play anything.
Huh? But how is that possible?
We like to fantasize.
Uh-huh.
Fantasize, you're flying.
You're flying! Wow! Let's fly to the clouds.
What a great idea!
Mimi! Mimi? Where are you? Wow! Yeah! Wow! Yeah! Uh-huh. Wow! That cloud looks like a rabbit.
That one looks like an elephant.
And over there, it looks like an airplane. I wonder who makes clouds like this. Probably wizards. Wait.
Barney, how are you gonna play?
I will fantasize. Yeah! It's me against all of you. Yeah! Let's go. Yeah! Now it's your turn. Woohoo! Yeah! Kids, time for class.
How do we quickly get back down?
Yeah.
Today, the nanny has a really important assignment for Mimi and her friends. The kids have to make clay figurines, whatever they want. I don't even know what that is.
So, how's it going?
The kids can't focus on the nanny right now. They're busy.
Ahem. Ahem.
Miss Moo, are you okay?
Thanks, Mimi. I'm fine. How are you guys? What did you make?
I made a rainbow. I made a car.
So pretty.
Everybody wants to show Ms. Moo how amazing their figurine turned out.
Eddie, what did you make?
You're going to love it.
It's beautiful. What is it?
A swamp monster.
Oh, a swamp monster, of course, obviously. Okay, you all did such a great job. You know what that means.
That means we can just relax now?
Yeah.
No, stop. We finished playing with modeling clay, so now we can kick it up a notch. We're going to do pottery.
Huh?
I'll tell you all about it. Have a seat. Pottery is one of the oldest human inventions. It's the process of creating ceramic items out of clay, like dishes, toys, jewelry.
The nanny explained pottery in great detail, and the kids got started right away.
How about making your own dishes? Whatever you like.
I'll make a plate. I'll make a cup. Me too. Cool. I'll make a fork and a spoon. I like the idea of a plate. I'll make mine super colorful. Wow! Can I paint mine too? Sure, we can make matching ones. Awesome!
I want to make another swamp monster.
But you're supposed to make dishes.
Fine. I'll make a plate shaped as a swamp monster.
Okay.
And they're off to the races. They're all focusing hard on what they're doing. Maybe a little too hard.
So how's it going?
We're done!
Good job.
But how are we supposed to eat out of these? They're too soft.
You're not actually done yet. Now we need to put your creations in a special oven. We'll turn the temperature up very high and leave the dishes in there for a while. You can have them back tomorrow morning.
Yay!
The kids did everything Ms. Moo said.
Let's see how it turned out.
Wow!
This is yours, and this is yours. This is Mimi's. Here are Theo and Dee Dee's cups, and Eddie's swamp monster.
Oh, finally.
That was another great day. Now the kids can bring their dishes home to show their parents.